had clouds that hung around during the latter part of the afternoon, but during the evening, a lot of them cleared out, and that's allowed temperatures to get pretty doggone chilly. Now, as we continue through the night, the clouds are going to come back, and a couple of folks, especially well north of 64, could see a passing sprinkle. Right now, the Max Track Live Doppler's quiet. As we look through tomorrow, most of the day it's really fine. Wednesday, okay, that's a big travel day still for folks, at least for some. There's going to be rain and some thunderstorms around. It's also going to turn into a really windy day, but the good thing is, with the travel that's going on, there's not going to be a lot of winter with this storm, no matter really how far north you even go with this, up into Illinois, Indiana, even Michigan and Wisconsin on Wednesday. It's going to be rain. For us, as we get you to Thanksgiving Day, we will be drying out and we will be staying mild. That'll continue on into Black Friday as well. But in the 8-day, meteorological winter actually begins at the end of the 8-day. So you got that going for us. Thing is, the weather could actually follow suit, and we'll talk about all that coming up. So again, it is certainly getting cold out there tonight. Richmond's now down to 29. Got a whole folks hovering around freezing. Moorhead, Owingsville, Carlisle, Cynthiana, Fantsburg all right around freezing. Danville's at 34. Somerset's 33. So yeah, plenty of cold out there. Lexington, the south side's dropped to 39. Right now at the Bluegrass Airport, we sit at 36. We may drop a couple of more degrees at Dew Point to 32. That's kind of the basement temperature we could possibly get to. There is no wind to speak of. Only 48 for the high, but not all that far from normal, which means tomorrow in the Bluegrass, when we get into the upper 50s and low 60s, we're now well above normal. 58 Lexington, 60 in Versailles, 60 in Lawrenceburg, 61 Danville. Gives you an idea of what we're expecting. As we head over into eastern Kentucky, you've got generally upper 50s from the Mountain Parkway and north, 57 West Liberty, 55 in Flemingsburg. And from the Parkway south, you've got low 60s like the 60 in Campton. We head into southeastern Kentucky. We're going to have more sunshine during the day. It's a little breezier, and with that, it's also going to be a little warmer. Look at the mid-60s showing up. Manchester 64, Hazard 63, even Beattyville comes in at 62. Again, the closer to the Parkway, temperatures are in the upper 50s. And finally, finish off in the lakes where, again, more sunshine during the day. Monticello gets to 65, Jamestown 64, 61 out of London, pretty good representations. So what's going on? High pressure is drifting east tonight. You could actually extend that warm front across Kentucky tonight. That's why the clouds are around now. Your day may begin with cloud cover, but the sunshine should be emerging at least with mixed clouds by the time we get you into the afternoon. And the wind picks up out of the south. Meanwhile, this storm will be cranking up. Now, we mentioned the snow or lack thereof on Wednesday. It's not the case tomorrow up across the Great Lakes, where you do see some snow flying there. But the warm air eventually does win, and you'll see all that snow exiting out of the picture. For us, it's nothing but rain. And you see it there. Everything's spiraling into that area of low pressure that cuts across Missouri, Illinois, going on into midday on Wednesday. So again, strong south winds, rain and some thunder mixed in. And again, the lack of winter with this system is certainly evident. Rainfall amounts. A decent rain comes in for us during the day on Wednesday into Wednesday night. As an average, let's go with about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. More as you head north and west, less as you go south and east. For tonight, clouds will be increasing, seasonably brisk. Not far from the normal low of 34, we'll be down to about 32, 33, somewhere in that ballpark. Your day tomorrow begins with some clouds, but becomes partly sunny. It's breezy and it's warmer. Highs into the upper 50s. Then it's low 60s with rain and thunder showers and a windy day on Wednesday. Thanksgiving Day may begin with clouds, becomes partly sunny. Black Friday looks dry and mild, and dry over the weekend.